Hey guys, my name is Courtney, but you probably know me better as the Flipping Nomad. We are here in the Concept RV and I've got my team with me now. On my right is Mark Beidelek, and he is the driving force behind making all of my crazy ideas come to life. Mark has been a full-timer for 4 years and he has driven his motorhome through all 49 states and Canada. On my left is Patty, and she oversees all of the details, so she makes sure that all of our T's are crossed and all of our I's are dotted. She's been a full-timer for about 1.5 years, and she's kind of extra special because she's also my mama. So let's go check out the concept now, and I'll show you guys the progress that we've made over the last week. We are in the bathroom now, and if you've seen some of my past RVs, you know I've done some pretty intense bathroom renovations, but nothing holds a candle to the transformation that this room is going to see. We are expanding it, and we are doing 2 very intense wall treatments. So we have opened up this section of the wall right here to start planning how we're going to implement both of those. This is going to be the most insane and extreme RV bathroom that you have ever seen. The renovation of this space is going to be so intense that we're not going to be able to show it on camera. So the next time you see it, it will have transformed into the most beautiful spa bathroom you could ever imagine. Now let's take a look at how we got to this point. Early Tuesday morning, we took delivery of this one-off concept RV. Plant 4, which is the Montana plant, went out of their way to build this shell. They are not set up for custom one-off interiors like this, so they really had to bend over backwards to pull this off and make this dream come to life. Once the concept was done on the assembly line, we moved it to the studio where we were set up to build this insane interior. As you can see, there were several components that were left out, like the flooring, furniture, window covers, slide trim, cabinets, the pass-through doors, and even the shower. We immediately jumped in and started building what we have been dreaming of for the last 4 months. We're building this interior in sections, so we're starting from the front in the bedroom and moving our way to the back into the living room. Check back every Monday on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram for the progress updates of this insane concept Montana.